dog gon' be a dog, whether he bark or he bite. I got a nigga in that cell, I pray to y'all he be alright. I'm bringing that pressure, rather it wrong or it right.
And what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bass Addict, and I am back with another video, man. In today's video, I had something else to come in for the link. I said linking, damn, for Ghost. It's something that I've been needing ever since I got that amp, man. Like, I don't know if y'all noticed it or not, but I have been trying my luck a whole lot. Even though the amp has one on it, you know what I'm saying? I can set it like that and know I'm good, but I have been trying my luck. I have been rolling the dice on this, and it's something I truly needed. It's a simple upgrade, but very effective and very pretty cheap insurance for my amp. So if y'all interested in seeing what I got in for Ghost, man, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell, and help grow and join the beautiful family. And don't forget, guys, the link will be in the description below if y'all want to purchase all a hoodie for the winter time, man. Y'all know it's starting to get cool. Y'all make sure y'all go on that website. The link will be in the description below, and get y'all some of that Bass Addict lifestyle merch, man. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, guys, we're gonna cut this open, and I'm gonna show y'all what's on the inside of it. Like I say, it's nothing that's super duper major, but like I say, it's damn good insurance, and something I have been needing, man. So let me cut this open, guys, because I'm doing it one-handed, and I'll come back to y'all. Okay, I got the bag cut open. We got some screws and some Allen key. Okay. We have, boom, a bass knob. I have not, ever since I purchased that amp, when I got it, guys, it did not come with a bass knob, because I actually bought it off a guy. So I had to order me a bass knob for that amp. And as y'all know, it has the power and the clip light, which I truly needed to monitor it on the inside of the car. I will be able to monitor what the amp is doing. I'm probably going to mount it right there. So yeah. And here's the phone style inputs. You go from the back of the bass knob into the amp. So like I say, guys, it's not a hell of an upgrade or a hell of a purchase, but it's damn good insurance, especially when I'm getting demos or I feel like cranking the system up. Is damn good insurance to know what that amp is doing for sure. So I got to be to work in an hour, so I'm about to run this right quick, and when I get it connected and hooked up, guys, run the wire right fast, because it shouldn't be nothing extravagant at all to run. So this should take no more than 5-10 minutes tops to run and mount where I want to put it. So y'all give me a second. Like I say, I broke my tripod, so I can't do a time lapse on it. I'm in the process of finding me another tripod. I want one that comes with the little light and everything on it for when I record at night and everything. So I'm trying to get a nice one instead of the cheap one like I had, y'all. It was good for, you know, setting the camera up and just doing what I do and make that part time lapse. But as y'all know, y'all seen a couple of my videos, I do a lot of work at nighttime too, because sometimes, you know, it's been summertime when I've been doing it, so we wait till the sun kind of go down before we get out there and mess with anything. And it'll be good to have a tripod with that light on it that, you know, help illuminate the scene and help us to be able to see better as well. So I'm about to turn this off. When I turn it back on, it'll be hooked up. We're gonna put the key in the car, see if the power light work. I know that might be backwards to y'all, but we gonna see if that work. You see if everything doing it what it's supposed to do. We should see the clip light come on, but if we do, we'll know what's up, because we'll be able to monitor it. Like I say, when I first got the amp, it did not come with a bass knob. So that's something I have been putting off. So let me get to this real quick. I got to go and take a shower. Got to go to work. Okay, guys, we got it mounted. All that's left to do is run these from the bass knob itself. If y'all can see that, from the bass knob itself all the way to the back to the amp. And we're gonna see what we got going, man. But we got it mounted in a pretty good position. Easy to get to, all that good stuff. And it's very goddamn smooth, I ain't gonna lie. Very, very smooth. But let me go and knock this out real quick, guys. Okay, guys, we got the wire ran. I got wires there damn well, for real. I got to tighten those up a little bit, but it's not bad. Like I say, once again, no wires to be seen except right there. But y'all can understand, there were the RCAs and all that shit going for the EQ. But no wires to be seen all the way back here, even in the back. No wires to be seen anywhere. So nothing like a good clean install. Nothing like it. But without further ado, which I got to tighten that back up because I had to pull that down and run the wire. But without further ado, yeah, we got power. Y'all can see it. Power is on. And we still at 14.8. Like I say, that alternator is the goddamn truth. Just my opinion. I still don't understand why people don't run them or whatever the case may be, but pure power alternator. I will also leave a link in the description below for those as well. But like y'all see, holding 14.8 solid. So I got to clip this back in, guys. But with all that said and done, there you go. With all that said and done, guys, we're about to find some a real quick track to play, and we're gonna turn y'all back on. Okay, guys, found my jump drive finally, but let me just show y'all how this shit is, man. Like, this shit like operating a motherfucking goddamn turntable or some shit.
Trying to show him that he made a man. I went through shit that he just wouldn't understand. He wanted bed, but shit, that wasn't the plan. I'm hearing voices in my head telling me go on and it quick. Feeling my fan don't truly let me, they won't beat me out the pit. So suicidal, wrapped in pain, and I'm just waiting for the click. I was just trying to kill the hurt, cause deep inside I felt like shit. I know no weapon born against me will come against me. No nigga that I held down.
Alright, let's get it, y'all.
Yes. I dress on me like you say they
Okay, guys, hope y'all enjoyed that little demo, man. I ain't gonna lie, this bitch getting off for what it is, man. Like, the camera truly ain't picking up the flicks. Y'all literally have to see this shit in real time, man. But this shit is crazy, man. As y'all can see, we was a little above half on the bass knob when we started running into a little clipping. But the last song I just played before I found my USB, we weren't doing clipping it. We weren't clipping at all, and I had it maxed the hell out. Voters were holding like 14.1 or 14.2 or some shit like that. But if y'all haven't figured out, the Hardaway OG go hard as shit. Like, that's a real bass heavy song, and if y'all can tell through the camera, man, it may sound distorted, but that's a real bass heavy song, man. And it sounds good, man. For me to be able to go that far up on the bass knob before that clip light starts showing, that's a true testament to that alternator and the way I got that amp set, man. So that was my upgrade for the day, guys. Like I say, short, sweet, straight to the point video, simple video. Didn't take long to run it, and I've been needing this for the longest. Like I said, it's the best insurance that I can put on my amp, you know what I'm saying? I can tune it from the back while it, you know what I'm saying, and see if I'm clipping back there. But I can't watch the back while I'm riding or I'm giving the demo. I definitely needed that, guys. I need this. Y'all see we done dropped both. It was 14.8, now 14.4. It would charge up faster, but like I say, I don't have lithium or nothing like that. I got ATM. It'll be up in probably like the next 3 or 4 minutes or whatever. It'll be back at 14.8. But if I had a lithium, it'll definitely charge super fast. I'll probably be already back up at 14.8. So like I said, lithium is needed for this car for sure. But like I said, everything worked perfectly, y'all. I am super impressed with this setup right here. Like I said, like the title of my last video, man, this is definitely one of the loudest setups I ever had, man. Like, this bitch will give you a headache, man. Like, that motherfucker ain't hard. It got that punch. You get a punch in the way I got the amp set. You get the punch, but you also get that smooth rolling bass, and this bitch get low loud. Like, this bitch love the lows, man. So hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. This your boy Bass Addict, man. Check it out with another one. Like I said, link will be in the description below. It's getting cold, guys. Make sure to go check out them Bass Addict hoodies. It's slamming, and I'm happy as hell I finally got that bass knob. We are out.
Yeah. I'm bringing that pressure. Rather it wrong or it right. A snake gon' be a snake, whether it's dark or it light. A dog gon' be a dog, whether he bark or he bite. I got a nigga in this cell, I pray to y'all he be alright. I'm bringing that pressure. Rather it wrong or it right.